Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm starting a new series today. It's going to be a quick survival tip series, so just little tips that'll enhance your ability to survive in the wild or in military situations like today's video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Dakota fire pit. This is how you can conceal your fire. If you're out on a mission and you need to cook food or boil water, but you can't be seen by the enemy, this is how you can conceal your fire. What it is it consists of two holes. A big hole where the fire is, and then a small feeder hole, which usually you angle it towards the wind, so the wind is blowing in to fuel the fire. But in order to make the hole, we need a digging stick. So, let's make one. So I got my digging stick, I made it out of some pine. Where you want to dig your hole is in a nice flat area. I picked this area because, first of all, the soil's pretty easy to dig in, and it's there's not much that can catch fire around it, so it's a pretty safe bet. Okay, so let's start digging. Excuse me. It's everywhere, actually. We have our first hole dug. It is about like you want to make your first hole 8 to 10 inches deep and about a foot across. But it really depends on how big you want your fire to be. If all you're doing is like cooking up some food or like boiling water, you can make a small fire. But if there are a lot of people, you should make this hole bigger. But what I found when I was digging, you can also find a few tasty snacks, like this little guy right here. It's a little maggot. And when you're eating these guys, you want to rip the head off because their heads are super hard. You just want to pop her down. Good. Okay, next we're going to dig the hole going into your main hole. The wind, there's not much wind, but I think it is blowing that way, so we're going to start our hole here. Now, you want to put this hole at an angle, not straight down, so you can have it lead into it. So let's just start digging.
Now, you do want to give yourself a good amount of distance so you're able to angle the hole down,
Okay, we've done our second hole. Wally has decided to help me, but as you can see, bring up close right here. The hole does lead to the other hole. Okay, let's get a fire going and I'll show you how this thing works. Okay, we processed some wood down, got some feather sticks, some smaller sticks, and some a little bit larger sticks. We're gonna start the fire. Yeah, let's just clear that pit out. I don't know if they can see that on camera. Hopefully that lights. Get some smaller sticks ready. That seems to be lighting. Right. So you got the fire lighted. And you'll see how this works in a second. You see how the flame's just barely coming over the pit itself. Therefore, the light is more concealed. So that's going to conclude it for today's video. I hope you like the new series. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. But hopefully you learned something new. And stay tuned for the next quick tip episode. Got something good planned. This is Little Birdie, signing out.